In today's video, we have brought you Binomo coupons and promo codes. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's get started. So, the first website is this right here. It's dealsspotter.com. Now, after you just visit this website, you will need to search for Binomo promo codes. And after you do so, you will get up to $200 discount. Now, here you can see you can activate deals. To activate deals, just tap on activate deal, or you can just get the promo code by tapping on show promo code. Now you can use these promo codes and deals, and yeah, that is how you do it. Now, the other website is this right here. It's vthrift.com. After you visit vthrift.com, just search for Binomo, and after you do so, you will get, you know, different packages. You will get different saves, and you can use these promo codes. You can just copy them and you can paste them in Binomo. Now, the last website is this right here. It's Ship the Deal. Now, you can just go to shipthedeal.com and you can search for Binomo. And after you search for it, you will get up to 50%, 80% discounts. You'll get even special bonus and exclusive savings too. So you can just use the coupon codes and you can go to Binomo and you can paste the codes and use it. So yeah, that is how you do it, guys. Those are the promo codes. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.